Hola, hola, hola guys, it's me and I'm coming to you just to show you exactly what I said in the video. I am poor, I am broke, girl, but I took advantage of the VIB sale at Sephora. So depending on what tier you are, you got either 20% off, 10% off, or 15% off. So I am still rouge. Don't know what's gonna happen after that because I have not shopped this year as much as I would have wanted to. Obviously the virus, the pandemic has affected everyone in some way, and obviously where my priorities have changed and my money has to go to other things that are not beauty related. But I did manage to get just a couple things, and I plan to do some reviews on these products as well because I am super duper interested in how they perform. So let me quickly show you. Okay, so first things first, I definitely wanted to get this product because I smelled it in one of those little, rub and smell thingamajiggies, and I loved it. So this is from Dior, and this is the Miss Dior perfume. So I got the 1 ounce. Is this 1 ounce? I think this is like 1 point. Yeah, it's one fluid ounce. So it's like really tiny. And it's not the most cheapest perfume in the world, but like I'm only using it for, really special occasions, which there aren't much, these days. But I'll use it to like go to church, or I'll use it if I happen to go somewhere. But I'm trying hard not to use it so much. But it smells so nice. The scent is divine, and I think I love it. I was really trying to decide between this one and the rose that they have, and the rose is really, really nice as well. It was so nice, but I really just wanted to make a decision, and I do have a rose perfume. I think it's from Vera Wang. I have one, and it's not finished yet, so I was like, let me just get the Miss Dior. I just love this scent, and it really smells, I don't know, it just has a kind of like this like a baby powder scent, like a really pretty feminine powdery scent to it. I really can't explain it, but it just loved it. So I had to get one of these. So I got that. And that was total like splurge because come on, you don't need perfume, you want it. Okay, so I got myself another bottle of the Murad Hydrating toner. So I'm just gonna show the bottle just in case you don't remember how it looks or you don't know how it looks. So this is how it looks. If you saw my latest skincare regimen video, you will see this product there, and I liked it so much that I went and I bought myself another bottle. And for me to buy a product more than once, because I usually don't do that. I will usually get something and I'm like, okay, on to the next. But if I find myself buying something more than once, more than twice, it is because I really like it, and because I really do see a difference in what it's doing, whether it's for my hair or my skin or whatever. So this is really, really for me, just, I don't know, it's making a nice hydrating change to my skin. As far as the toner goes, like I said, the temperature is getting cooler outside, temps are getting lower, and your skin just needs a little bit more of hydration, and I feel like it is definitely doing that. And in the skincare department, I decided to go ahead and venture out for another essence, like I had mentioned in the last video. So I decided to try this one out, and this is from Innisfree, and this is the Firming Energy Essence with Fermented Soybeans. So this is the essence that I'm using right now. And let me tell you that I am really, really liking this essence. First time that I have purchased this essence. I don't know if this is the first time I'm trying out the brand. I may have tried this brand out in some type of another product, I'm not sure. But as far as their essence, this is the first time that I'm using it, and I really like it. It is just, love it. Extra burst of hydration. I really love the formulation of the product. It comes out almost like a serum-y type thing, kind of like the serum formulation, but then it immediately liquefies, and I just love that. And typically you can use this with a cotton ball or whatever and just put it around your face. I kind of feel like you would kind of be using too much of the product, and I actually just put 2 drops. I mean, like, no lie, because a little bit goes a long way. So I will use like 2 drops of this, rub it together in my hands, and just press it on my skin, and it feels so nice. I have definitely, in the little bit of time that I've been using this product, I have noticed a change in my skin. I also use what's left over in my hands and I put it on my chest, I put it on my neck, and I do feel like, I don't know if it's me or not, but I kind of feel like it's even a little bit smoother. The essence makes my skin feel so nice and smooth. It feels nice and plump. It just feels really, really nice. So definitely a plus if you are looking for a new essence, if you haven't tried this one, if you need something with you know, some more hydration, or just looking for something new to try, may I refer to you the Innisfree essence. Okay, so I'm still in the little skincare thing. I think this is the last skincare thing, but I don't know if you remember what I had told you about me getting an affordable kit on Sephora, where it had a bunch of products from Lancome, and it had like the full size of the serum that I'm using. So this is it. Now, unfortunately, I looked back at the Sephora site and it's not online anymore. So I'm sorry about that. It's not online anymore. I don't know if you can find this somewhere else, if it would be on the Lancome site, if it will be on Ulta. I'm not sure. If I do find it, I'll put the link below. But just for video purposes, I need to show you the little kit that I got. And this is the kit that I was talking about. I paid, I think it was $63 if I'm not mistaken. And you pretty much get a deluxe sample size of the, what is it? This is the toner, I believe, Tonique Comfort. And this is rehydrating comforting toner with acacia honey. So this is deluxe size, which is really good because, I mean, it's not like you're gonna be, you know, squeezing it all out and using it all over your face. You're supposed to use a small amount. The next one, this would be the Bifacil. I hope I'm saying it right. But this is the double action eye makeup remover. So this is obviously oil based, and this is going to be perfect to take out any eye makeup or anything like that. And then the next product that will come in here, this is a deluxe size, and I have the full size of this face cream. This is the Lancome Hydrogen moisturizer. So nice because it's lightweight but provides just a great hydrating coverage and hydrating benefits for your skin. Then it sends this little, and now this is a smaller sample. This is the Genifique Light Pearl, which is the pretty much the eye cream or the eye concentrate that you use for your eyes, and also for your eyelashes. Now the other one it's a little bit bigger. I'd say it's like maybe this size, the original, but still, this is for your eyes, and I think that this is gonna go a long way because it's only for your eyes. You're not using it anywhere else. And like I said, with these products, a little bit goes a long way. You really do not have to use that much. And then, which was the whole reason of me buying it, was because you had a full size. So they gave you the full size Genifique serum, which is still what I'm using these days. One of my favorites up there in serums. So that was the little kit that I got. It just sucks. I'm so bummed that it's not there anymore, but I don't know, maybe in the future it'll come back. Sometimes when, you know, they run out of those products like that, in the future they come back. Like it's not like it hasn't happened, so we'll see what happens. Just FYI, just so that you can see the difference in size. So this is the little sample size. This is the 0.16 fluid ounce. And this would be the regular size, which is a 0.67 fluid ounce, just so that you can see the difference in that. But either way, even if you get this small one, if you purchase the small one, I still believe that you're gonna have it for quite a while. Okay, so let's get into some makeup, because what kind of video would this be if there was not some type of makeup? So first things first, I got, and I will be reviewing this, this is from Huda Beauty, and this is her new primer that she had released. So what is the name? This is the Water Jelly Hydrating Primer, and her foundation. So this is the foundation stick, the Buildable Coverage Foundation Stick. I have used this one time, and of course, if you know my reviews, I always use it more than once if I'm going to give you a full review. You know, if it's not a first impressions. If I'm doing a review, then I want to use the product a few times and let you know how I feel about it. But this is how it looks, and this is how the foundation looks itself, the color. The color that I got was the color Shortbread, and I believe this is for light skin tones with a, if I'm not mistaken, I think it was a beigey pink undertone, if I'm not mistaken. So that would be it, foundation and the primer. So I'm definitely going to be reviewing that and showing you how it looks and all that stuff on my face. So yeah, next product that I got, and this is from Stella, and this one, which is this one? This is the Stay All Day Dual-Ended Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner, and this like just came out. Luckily I was able to get it. And this is, as you can see, here's the packaging. So one side is going to be the original liner that we all know, and then the other side is going to be a very thin tip, as you can see. So this is an ultra fine tip, and I'm going to keep working with this one. Now I used it once already, and I liked it, but I'm going to keep working on it, I guess. I stopped using the Stella, honestly, because I just find that the tip is not as flexible as the KVD Vegan Beauty one. I have used that one for years. I mean, back when it was still Kat Von D, I always used her eyeliner, or their eyeliner now, because it was just the best for me. It was the darkest color, it stayed on all day, and the tip was nice and flexible, so I always liked it. So the Stella, but this may be, you know, a change, we'll see, because I don't necessarily love the tip on the original, but the other side, which is a fine tip, that may be able to work for me. So we will see what happens. So I was definitely interested in this product because I want to see if it actually works or if it's just gimmicky. So this is from KVD Vegan Beauty, we were just talking about that. And this is the Epic Curl Lash Primer. So definitely want to see what this is. If you haven't heard of this product, it's pretty much, they're pretty much claiming that you can use this product and it curls your lashes without you needing to use a lash curler. So this is going to be, or it is, a type of primer, but it also curls your lashes so that you do not need to use an eyelash curler. So we'll see about that. I will be checking that out and I will be letting you know. And as far as eyes and lashes and all that go, I actually got this in clearance, and I was just interested in it. I saw it for a while, and I was kind of like, man, maybe not. But then when I saw that they lowered it to $2, I was like, yeah, I'm gonna get it now. So this is the Sephora Gel Brow Highlighting Gel. So this is how it looks, and they have 3 colors. I think it was light, medium, or something. I'm not 100% sure, but this one I got in light, and it is exactly what it says. It's highlighting gel. So as you can see, it's very, very light in color, and this essentially just highlights your brows. I have used this a few times. I actually do like it. You're not putting a whole bunch because, you know, it's pretty much just looks like paint, highlighting paint on your eyebrows, and this is just supposed to give a nice subtle highlighting effect on your eyebrows. So, and it sets it in place. So definitely bought that, and $2, I mean, seriously, like there was no way like I was not gonna get that. Now I am a lippy whore, I am a lippy queen, I am lippy addicted, so I had to get myself some lipsticks. So I decided to get these from Too Faced. This is the Too Faced Christmas Snuggles and Melted Kisses. And this is their little mini liquid lipsticks for the holidays. So wanted to get that in. I have not opened it. I haven't used them or anything like that. So here are the colors. And they are Hot Toddy, Candy Cane, which is right here. Then you have Sugar Cookie. And then you have Caramel Apple. So all beautiful colors. I really love them all. This really is a very pretty red, and then you have your nice neutrals, nice mauve color here. Should I do a swatch on my arm just so you can see the color? Okay, so here are the swatches. So this is gonna be the caramel apple. This is the sugar cookie color. This is the candy cane color. And this one is the hot toddy color. So they're just all, and they're all very nice colors. I really like them. And they smell so good. Like, oh my god, they really smell so nice. So these are the colors. And you already know, if you know already how the Too Faced liquid lipsticks are, they're bomb. I've always loved the formula. They don't dry out, they stay on all day. I've never had problems with the liquid lipstick. So, and this is definitely a good deal. So if you are, for example, looking for different colors, you don't want to purchase a full one. A lot of times we get the full liquid lipsticks, the full sizes, and we never finish them, and then they end up drying up in our drawer, and then we throw them out. So this is a perfect way to get not one but a few colors, and you have a better chance of actually using them all because they're a small size. They make a great gift, a great stocking stuffer, and I love them all. And the last product, I think this is the last product that I know of that I got from the sale, is from Huda Beauty, and this is her Naughty Nude palette. So when I saw this, I was like, whoa, this one is really pretty. Very much was interested in her palette. If you haven't seen them, I mean, look at that. The colors are just so beautiful. Love them. Now this palette is, it's kind of obviously reminiscent of like her first nude palette that came out, but that one was, the colors were a little more rosies and a little lighter. This one, where you do kind of have, you know, that pinky color, and you know, she did put in a couple of the rosy shimmers, but this palette is a little more darker, hence the color, or hence the word naughty. She wanted to just make it a little more spicy, a little darker. So these are the colors right here, and I'm definitely gonna be wanting to, I guess, play around with it and see how it looks and how it goes. And maybe I can do a video in the future of doing some type of look with that palette. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video, just showing you the couple of little things that I got from the Sephora VIB sale. I will be doing reviews on some of the products that are here because I definitely was interested in trying them out, but I want to, you know, make sure how they are, so that if any one of you is interested in getting these products and you want to see how they are, well, then I can tell you. So thank you guys for watching. Be safe out there, and that's about it. So like and comment and subscribe. Let's be friends. I will see you guys in the next video. Adios.